Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, thank you. I'm also fine. Welcome back to our online classes. Yes, in the previous class we were discussing about the revision, that is, yes, the number system. In that again squares and cubes, yes, Roman numerals, is all we discussed. Now this is the concept of addition. Yes, this is the main basic fundamental operation of mathematics. There are four are there in that: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We are dealing the addition. Yes, here what is mean by addition? Anybody? Yes, addition is nothing but putting objects together. Putting objects together, finding how many in all, finding total, finding the sum. Yes, putting objects all together. These are the, yes, implies, these words implies about the addition. Here, see here in the word story problem or in the question, find the sum is there. Yes, it implies addition. Find the total. Yes, it implies. How many are there? How many in all? In all, it implies, yes, addition. Then again, all together. All together. These all words indicates, yes, implies addition. Here, any one of these words is having in the story problem, then we can solve it as a addition problem. Yes or no? These sums or add. This is also add. Add means we can add the number. Simple. Now here first the terms of the addition. The numbers what we are adding, those numbers we can call as the addends. Those numbers we can call as the addends. Then after adding, what sum will you get? What answer will you get? That answer we can call as the sum. We can call that answer as a sum or a total or a, yes, in or whatever that answer. Yes, here find the sum. Before that we should know the properties of addition. Find the sum if they give, yes, the properties of addition. What are the properties? Yes, there are three properties are there. It is very simple. First one, yes, that is commutative property, or we can call it as an order property. Order property or commutative. Commutative means here while adding, if you are adding two or more than two numbers, you can change the order of the addends. The sum is regardless of the order of the addends. You can say order of the addends. Here the order of the addend does not matter. The sum remains as the same. Commutative or order property. You can call it commutative or other, and the one more word, order property. Yes. What we say? It change the order of addends. The sum does not change. Or one more way we can say, when two numbers are added, the sum is the same. Regardless of the order of the addends. Yes, it is order property. And one more we have, that is associative property. Yes, this is if you are adding three or more than three numbers, we can add any two numbers first. Example here, 22 for this order property, 22 plus 13. This can be written as 13 plus 22 also. Here first is 22, here last is 22. Yes, the sum is, it remains same. How much it is? 35. It is the sum for the both. Here, if you are adding three or more than three numbers, any two numbers we can add. Example, 5 plus 10 plus 20. These are the three numbers we are adding. First we will add 5 plus 10. Then 5 plus 10 it is 15 plus 20. Then you can write 15 plus 20 it is 35. Here I will take 5 plus 10 plus 20. Again same addends. I will add 10 plus 20 first. 10 plus 20. Then 5 keep as it is. Then 10 plus 20 it is 30. 30 plus 5 it is 35. See the answer? We got the same answer. Then hence we can say addition is associative. When three or more numbers are added, the sum is the same. when 3 or more numbers are added, the sum is the same regardless of the grouping of the addends. We can group these two numbers or last two numbers regardless of the grouping of the addends. This is third property, second property, and third one is zero property of addition. Zero property. When we are adding 0 and any number, a non-zero number, then the sum is the non-zero number. The sum is the non-zero number. Add 0 to any number or any number to 0, the sum is a non-zero number. That is 0 plus 5, you can write 5, or you can add 5 plus 0 also. This is also 5. Or 0 plus 100. This is a non-zero number, which is, that is 100 only. Then here we can write 55 plus 0. This is equals to non-zero number here 55 is the non-zero number. This is zero property of addition. The sum of any number and 0 is always the number itself. The sum of 0 and any number is always the number itself. These are the mainly three properties. You should remember this. Yes, otherwise by heart these properties, very simple. This order of the addend does not depend. The sum is does not depend on the order of the addends. And grouping also, we can add first any two numbers. We can make any two group of two numbers. Then we can add third number. We will get the same sum. Here we'll solve some large numbers. We'll find the sum of some large numbers. Yes, here find the sum. Find the sum A. How will you arrange? Arrange according to their place values. Yes, here 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 0, 7 plus this is the number, and 4, 5, 8, 2, 4, 5, 3. Yes, 7 digit numbers both. Here it is 7 digit. It is also 7 digit. Now arrange these in a column according to their place values. Yes, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 0, 7. Then 4, 5, 8, 2, 4, 5, 3. Yes. Now we can add the number. Yes. 7 plus 3, it is 10. 10 ones we cannot write here. For that we can separate 10 ones. We can regroup as a 1, 10 and 0 ones. 1, 10. This keep carry us to next place, that is 10th place. Then 0 write in the 1's place. 1 plus 0, 5. Sorry, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 5, it is 6. We can keep carry here also or here also. Yes, then we can here or here. Then 6. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 2, good. 5 plus 8, very good. 5 plus 8, it is 13. 1 carry, 3 right now. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 4, 6. This is the sum we got. Yes, one more. Very simple. While adding these large numbers, you can take any digit. Not only 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any digit you can take, and the same process you have to follow. Wherever carry will regroup will come, the same process. Next, if 2 digits are there, 1 digit you keep as a carry on the next place. Yes, here 6 digit number. Yes, arrange these in a columns. 3, 6, 9, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 0, 5, 8. Yes, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 or 8 plus 3. Can write it is 11. 1 carry, right. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5. Very good. 10. Again 1 carry, right. 0. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 3, 12. Again 1 carry, right. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 5, 12. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Like this we can find the sum. If they given in a row, we should arrange in a column, then we can find its sum. If they given in a column means it's okay, then we can find it very easy. Yes. Six, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus one more number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 0, 8. Add these two numbers. Arrange in a column. 6, 2, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8, 0, 4. Yes. Now whatever digits you don't bother. 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 carry. Again 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 carry. 5 write down. And 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 2, yes, 8. Very simple addition. B. Yes, 908 371 38721 38721 951 945. Yes, arrange these in a column. Write neatly while arranging in column. Three, 8. Now we can add it very easy. Arrange in a column. In 8 plus 5, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 0 plus 9, 9. 1 plus 9, 10. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 15. 13. 5. Like this you can write. Yes. Take all these 4 problems in your notebook. Write neatly in your notebook. Yes, after this we can add the decimal numbers also. Same way, very easy. It is, you should arrange the decimal numbers how the decimal point it should be one below other. The decimal point it should be one below other. Then only we can get it correct answer. Yes, we will see some problems on addition of decimal numbers. These decimal numbers we can see in metric measurements also. Yes or no? You should convert the liter, milliliter as a decimal form, kilograms, grams as a decimal form, and meter, centimeter as decimal form, and kilometer and meter, these decimal numbers. Decimal numbers means all it will come, and rupees and paise also. Money also it will come in a decimal form. Yes or no? The decimal numbers will add here. That is, you should arrange the decimal point. It should be one below other in the column. While arranging, it should be one below other. Then what we are finding the sum, that is correct here. Add or find the sum A. Here some decimal problems will see. Yes. $16.231 plus 8.738. You should arrange these decimal numbers according to their place. Yes, one, it should be one below other. Then first write 16.231, then 8.8 point. Yes, it should be one below other. Then 738. Now we can add it very easily. Yes, 8 plus 1 or 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 2 9. 6 plus 8, yes, it is 14. 1 carry here or above. Then 1 plus 1, it is 2. Keep the decimal point where just exact down. Bring down. Now 24.969 is the answer. Very simple, this adding decimal numbers also. Yes, B, we can take 54.7 or any number. 49.5, yes, 26.8, 9.7. These are the three numbers, we can add it. Yes, arrange in a column. First 49.5, next 26.8, then 9.7. Arrange it in column, then it is very easy. We can add it. 5 plus 8, 13, plus 7, 20. 2 carry here or above. Then 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 9, yes, 26. 2 carry again, write 6. Then 2 plus 4, 4. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. The decimal point. Yes. Then 86.0. The sum is 86.0. Whatever addends 2, 3, 4, 5, we can write according to their place value. Place value means it should be one below other. Then we can find its sum very easily. Yes. See. 847.35 plus 123.5 plus 89.763. Yes, here it has only two decimal places. It has one decimal place. Here it has three decimal places. In this time we can write this 123. 123.5, it is equals to, after this, yes, we can add, we can write a 0. There is no change in the value. Yes, I told already. Like this also we can write. Otherwise 123.5 0 0. 2 zeros also we can take. After the decimal point we can take zeros directly. There is no change in the value. These are all equal. 1 0 we return. After 5 or 2 0 we return. It is. Yes. Then we can here only one is there. Now one here only one decimal is there. We can take 2 zeros to adjust that value. Yes. Then right here. Arrange this in column. 847.35, then 123.5, then one more 89.763, 7 6 3. Yes, for this here 1 0, here 1, here we can take, there is no change in the value, and we can add it. 0 0 3, it is 3. 5 0 5 plus 6 11. Yes, 4 9 9 7 16. Yes, decimal point. Then 1 7 8 8 plus 3 11 plus 9 20. Yes, 2 6 8 8 8 16. This is 10. What is the sum? 1060.613 is the sum. Clear? Very simple. Yes, one more. This decimal number will add. $49.705 plus 38.63. These two numbers arrange in a column. 49.705 plus 38.63. Then we can insert 1 0. Yes, 5 plus 0, write 5. 0 plus 3, 6 plus 7, 1 carry, write decimal point. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 8 18. Then 4 plus 4 it is 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. You can 88.335 is the sum. Yes, we can find the sum in the decimal number also. If here the given it is kg, gram, whatever, or kilometer, meter, then it is very fine. You can add the metric measurements also. If you are perfect with addition of the numbers of these decimals and the numbers without the large numbers, then it is very easy to get the sum. Clear? Yes. And in the next class we will discuss about the addition of fractions, that is like fractions, unlike fractions, and mixed numbers. Mixed numbers addition we will see in the next class. If you get any doubt about this addition, you can give a call to. Take 4 problems. With this you can take 4 more problems as a homework, and large numbers you can take 4 problems as a homework and solve in your notebook, send through the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you.